Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are tuned in to Living Modestly Naturally with Rachel Harris. Thank you so much for stopping by. And I want to say a special thanks to all the new subscribers. Special thanks to you all. And if you're just tuning in for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. And also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you can be up to date with all the new content coming your way. Okay, so in this video, I will be making cornbread. Okay, I'll be making cornbread. It's a very simple ingredients, very simple recipe that I'm gonna put together. I'm gonna make today. So first, you're gonna need cornbread mix. This is the Bob's Red Mill gluten-free cornbread mix. If you have other, you can use any type of mix you like, but this is what I'm going to be using. Next, I have some Breakstones All natural unsalted butter. I'll be using that. And I'm using the Wholesome pantry organic coconut milk. It's unsweetened. And 1 egg. Okay. And I'll be using oil. Okay. And I have some measuring tools. I have 1 cup, 1/4 cup, and a 1/2 cup. Okay. I have a 1/2 cup. And I'm going to be using gloves. Gloves is optional, you don't have to, but I'll be using gloves. And also, you need a mixing bowl. Okay, a mixing bowl. And this is what I'll be using. This is my baking pan I'll be using to make that. Oh, I can't forget, I almost forgot. I need a spoon. Okay. I'll pause this video, I'll be right back to get the spoon. Okay, I'm back. I had to get my spoon. I forgot my spoon. Alright, so first I'm going to start with 1.5 cup of the cornbread mix. 1.5 cup. Okay. And I'm going to put this in the bowl. Okay. So there you have it. Okay. A little more. Okay, that's 1.5 cup. Next, I'm going to add the coconut milk. Using 1/2 cup of coconut milk. Okay. Okay. Let me put my gloves, yo. There. Alright. So far, this is how it's looking. Hope you all can see that. And I'm going to add 1/4 cup of melted butter onto that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stir. I'm going to start the stirring process. I'm going to start the stirring process here. Get everything Everything mixed together. Okay. Everything mixed together. Get that all in there mixed together. Okay. And then I'm going to my egg. Egg here. Okay. I'm going to continue to stir. I'm going to stir and stir and stir. Okay. Oh, I almost forgot. I'm going to add some water to this mixture too. Start with half a cup of water. I'm going to wash this out. Some water. I'm going to keep stirring. Keep stirring it. I have to put a lot of elbow grease in this thing. Gotta stir that. But it's getting softer. It's getting smoother. If you want to make the process a lot faster, you can use a blender just to smooth out all the lumpiness. If that's even a word. Get all that lump. Get all the lumps. I'm gonna pause this video and I'll come back to show you where I'm at so far. Alrighty, so I'm back. So here we have it. This is what I'm getting here. The consistency. So, yeah. And while I was off camera, I put just a little bit more coconut and a little bit more water. A little bit more coconut, a little bit more water. Just to get it a little bit smoother. It's starting to look a little lumpy. It was a little too thick, too lumpy, so just add just a little bit. So feel free when you're making your recipe to when you're putting your ingredients, you can add as much or as little as you like. I have the oven set for 375 degrees, so it's going right now. So by the time I put the muffins into the oven, it's going to be ready to go. It's going to be ready to start baking. So now, as you can see here, I have, this is grapeseed oil that I have in a spray bottle. I put this in a spray bottle to make it easier for me to control the amount of oil that I put in my cooking, whatever I'm making. I usually use this to control the amount that I put, so I'm not putting too much grease. I don't really like too much grease in my cooking, except if I'm deep frying something, then that's different. But on normal terms, I like to just, just put a little bit. So now I'm going to put some oil in my baking pan, and I'm going to make about 6 muffins. I don't need that much. It's just my husband and I just need 6 muffins will do. I don't need so much. So what I'm going to do is, in the spaces here, these rows in the middle is where I'm going to place the oil. So just that, just a little bit. This one, that. Alrighty. And then what I'm going to do is just with my fingers, 2 fingers here, I'm just going to spread it evenly so that it doesn't stick. I don't want it to stick. So, and you don't want your muffin sticking either. So just put a little bit of oil in there, get it nicely greased. Now, onto the fun part. And if you don't want to use any of these, like the coconut milk and this brand of corn bread that I use, you can use any type of milk you want. You can use any type of cornbread mix you want. You can use any type of butter. Whatever suits you, whatever suits your taste is fine. You know, just sharing what I do. So here we go. So just gonna take a little bit here. The tips, fill the tips up. I'm gonna start pouring it in. Just a little bit at a time to start myself off. That's 2. That's 3. This is the first layer. Let me put in here before I fill it up even more. My muffins might spill over. We'll see. But I don't mind that. I don't mind if it fluffs, when it fluffs up, if it kind of rises a little bit over the top. Doesn't matter to me. And then the rest, this much left. I don't want to waste any of this. You don't want to waste the goodness, guys. You're making your food, you use it, everything to the last drop. So a little bit more. Going back to the first section I did. Second section. Okay. Third, fourth, right here. This one needs a little bit more. And then this one, trying to get all of this. Trying to get all of this, guys. Let's get all of this. I don't like stuff going to waste, so that's what I'm gonna do. This here doesn't have enough, so I'm gonna just take my finger and all of that in there. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do now, just kind of make sure everything. Okay, so that's that. And now I'm gonna show you what it looks like so far. Okay, so looks like this so far. I'm gonna pause this video. I'm gonna let it set in the oven for about 20 minutes. Okay, let it set for about 20 minutes, and I'm gonna check it to see if it's good. If I need some more time, then I'll add some more time to it. Add some more time to it, and then I'll come back to show you the final result. Okay, thank you once again, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment. Don't forget to press the post notification so you'll be updated in all the new content that will be coming your way. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. All right, everyone, I'm back, and here the final results. These are the results of the gluten-free cornbread. Okay, and this is what I did. So as I said before, I put it in the oven for about 20 minutes, and at the 20-minute mark, I checked them to see if they were done. I used a knife and poked a few of them just to see if, you know, if the knife came back, if I draw back the knife and it had like batter on it, then that means it wasn't done. But if I stick it with the knife and it comes back and there is absolutely nothing on there and it's clean, then that means the muffins were done. So I checked it and it was done at the 20-minute mark, but I like to make sure, you know, it was baked properly. So I gave it another 5 minutes. So I gave it another 5 minutes for a total of 25 minutes. And now I let it cool down. And so this is the results. They look really good. Once again, showing you here. They look really good. And so I'm going to take out one. I'll take one out and put it in the bowl. So you see how easy? It just came out real easy. That's what, like when you put the oil inside of each section, it helps to keep it from sticking. So here we go. So I'm gonna try it and see how it tastes. But before I do that, I have to pray to say, I gotta say my prayers. Okay. Thank you, Lord, for this food I'm about to receive and the nourishment of my body. In Jesus Christ's mighty name, I pray. Amen. All right. So let's get this is what it looks like on the inside. Okay, this is the texture. So, and remember I put coconut milk, so it definitely smells like coconut. Okay, it's good. Very good. And this is gluten-free. So sometimes gluten-free products tend to taste a little bit different, but still good. If you're a person who can't eat, foods with gluten, then this is the these muffins, are good. It's gluten free. Make sure that I use. And so if you can't tolerate the gluten in products, then try these. Good. Very good. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for watching. And before you go, I want to share a scripture with you all. And it's taken from the book of Proverbs. Proverbs 3, verses 5 and 6. And it says, trust in the Lord with all thy heart, and lean not unto thine own understanding. In all thy ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct thy path. And also I want to sing a little song before I go, and which goes along with the verse. It goes like this. Trust in the Lord with all thine heart, and lean not to thine own understanding, but in all thy ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct thy path. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.